What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make Canva whiteboard animations. Well, the process for that is very simple. As you guys can see, I'm a Canva. Now here what you have to do is, first of all, you need to create an image of whatever the design that you want to sketch. You just have to uh, create a new design of an image, add whatever the sketches that you want. You'll be able to find the sketches on the Google, just copy the image and paste it without any problem. You'll be able to see them. Now, once you have a whole design ready, now you want this to be sketched in a video. How you can do that? In this case, you just have to download it. Once you have downloaded to download it, just click on share and download and it will be downloaded. You just have to go to home page. In the home page, you just have to quickly create a design of the video. Now, once you have that, you will see a page looking something like that. Now here you just have to go to apps. And apps you simply have to search for speed paint. And searching for speed paint will bring you this. Just use this app. Now here what you have to do is you just have to simply click on choose file and choose the file you want. Now in this case we can actually use the file that we just used there right here. Now after that you just have to set the frame, set the duration, and automate it. You can use the hand according to you. That's pretty much it. That's all be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.